स्पेलिंग भी नहीं आती है, इसी छोटे में और CUAPUT। इधर देख मैडम क्या बोल रही है।
Good morning, ma'am. Oh, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you.
मैम आज लिंक भेजेंगी ना टेक्स्ट के लिए।
बेटा आज मैं लिंक नहीं भेज पाऊंगी बिकॉज आई हैव सम
क्या
प्रॉब्लम।
मैम?
आज लिंक नहीं सेंड कर पाएंगे हम, तो ठीक है।
मैम आज रिवीजन करेंगे। हम कल टेस्ट होगा।
नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल सेंड द लिंक। ओके okay class, all of you open the page number 11. Now I mute you
Yes,
all.
number 11.
I mute you all of you open your page number 11, lesson 2. Today we revise this chapter. Okay, introduction to Windows 7. Okay, so first of all, Windows 7 is an operating system. Okay, and here are many commonly operating system like iOS, Mac OS, Linux, Microsoft Windows, Android, and Ubuntu. These are operating system. Our computer work on operating system. Without operating system, our computer does not work. So, like for example, like our body is the main part of our heart. Without heart, our body parts not work. So same as operating system is a part of heart of a computer system. Okay, now Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system. It is graphical user interface. It means we can see the icons and we can correct use them. Here are many types of operating system like Windows 3.1, Windows 95, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and Windows 8. But the Windows 10 is being the best and latest. Today we use Windows 7. Okay, so starting Windows 7, how to start Windows 7? Firstly, you switch on the main button. Now you switch on the UPS. Now after that you switch on the CPU, and after your computer is booting. Now this booting process is called what? This processing is called your Windows is on. Now you see a Windows 7 desktop. Okay, so first screen after opening your monitor, this is that first screen is appear is known as the desktop. So desktop is many parts like icons, start button, taskbar. Okay, so icons are the small pictures. Taskbar, every program that we start from the taskbar, and start button, we can start any program from the start button window. Okay, now taskbar, there are three types of buttons there, like start button, middle section, notification area, and show desktop. Okay, all of you look in your book. This is your taskbar. Okay, दिख रहा है? Have you seen? सबको दिख रहा है? Okay, in the taskbar, this is the start button. यहाँ से क्या करते हैं हम? प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करते हैं. Yes, अदम्या. Good. Look in your book, बेटा. Look in your book. Start button से क्या होता है? We start the program from here. Task bar. Every task we start, like windows, like folder, like a song. जो भी task हम start करते हैं वो कहाँ show करता है? Task bar buttons. Now notification area. Notification area is show the volume, date, etc. Now this is the show desktop button. Show desktop button is used to show the similar icons. Now turn your page, changing the position of the taskbar. How to change your position in the taskbar? Before we starting the changing the position of the taskbar, here I take the attendance of the students of class 3rd. So all of you keep silent. Okay? मैं जिसका नेम लूंगी वो बस रेज करेगा अपने हैंड को. ओके? अदम्या, आकृति मौर्य, हैंड्स डाउन. आकृति, आकृति मौर्य, आकृति इज नॉट एडेड. अभी ऐड नहीं हुई है आकृति. ओके. अंशपाल, रेज योर हैंड. अंशपाल, रेज योर. ओके, वेरी गुड. अनुराग मिश्रा, रेज योर हैंड. अनुराग मिश्रा, अनुराग मिश्रा is not present. Okay. अनुष्का कुमारी सिंह, अनुष्का कुमारी सिंह, raise your hand. Okay, good. Disha, Disha Yadav, hands down. Anushka, Disha Yadav, raise your hand. Okay, Disha is not present. Divyanshu Singh, Divyanshu Singh, raise your hand. Divyanshu, Divyanshu, raise your hand. Divyanshu Singh, raise your hand. Divyanshu Singh, raise your hand. Faisal Alam. Now students, please make silence. I unmute you. मैं सबको unmute कर रही हूँ because of taking the attendance. So all of you please silent. आपके पीछे से भी अगर आवाज आ रही है तो keep silence. Okay? Okay. Faisal,
Yes,
Faisal Alam.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Faisal, mute yourself. Jayashree. Jayashree, are you present? Okay. Jia. Jia. शौर्य पांडे, शौर्य पांडे,
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, शिवांगी गुप्ता, शिवांगी गुप्ता, ओके, शिवांश तिवारी, शिवांश तिवारी,
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, श्रेया सिंह,
Present, ma'am.
ओके, वर्धन यादव,
Ankita present.
ओके,
Ma'am
एमडी समद,
Ma'am
अंकिता,
Ankita.
यस अंकिता, वेट, नंदिनी, नव्यता, ओम कुमार,
Good morning, ma'am.
प्रियांशु गुप्ता,
मेरे को नहीं बोलेंगी।
शौर्य पांडे,
अस्वर।
ओके, अभिनव प्रताप सिंह, आदर्श कुमार यादव,
Ma'am Ankita.
अंकिता वेट,
मैम तिवारी मैम टेस्ट नहीं होगा।
शिवांश तिवारी, एक मिनट, वेट अ मिनट, मैंने आप लोग को बोला है कि यू ऑल जस्ट कीप क्वाइट, तो कोई कीप क्वाइट नहीं हो रहा है ना, सब लोग टॉकिंग कर रहे हो एक साथ, यू ऑल आर टॉकिंग, आपके पीछे से भी आवाजें आ रही हैं, जस्ट म्यूट यू ऑल, लेकिन आप लोग को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, आप लोग पीछे से भी आवाज कर रहे हो, मैं अटेंडेंस कैसे लेंगे बोलो, आतिश म्यूट योरसेल्फ, यू ऑल आर म्यूट, सब म्यूट रहो, किसी को ऑन नहीं रहना है, नाउ आई अनम्यूट यू ऑल, अब कोई आवाज नहीं होनी चाहिए बिल्कुल भी,
आवाज कम करो।
अभिनव प्रताप सिंह, आदर्श
Yes,
कुमार
ma'am.
यादव, आदर्श
मैम
कुमार यादव,
नहीं होगा।
मैंने बोला है बेटा अभी कुछ,
मैम आपकी आवाज बहुत ही धीमी आ रही है।
ठीक है धीमी आ रही है तो अच्छी बात है, जस्ट कीप साइलेंट,
मैम नहीं होगा।
आई सेड कीप साइलेंट, डोंट आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन, कीप साइलेंट, and don't sing a song, you are online not offline,
मैम सबको ऑफ कर दीजिए।
shut up, no one will talk, कोई नहीं बात करेगा, just shut your mouth,
और अनुष्का।
आदर्श,
यो
who is this, शिवांश तिवारी, आप लोग पढ़ने लायक नहीं हो, बिल्कुल नहीं हो, गाना गा रहे हो, ऑनलाइन हो के आप लोग गाना गा रहे हो, राइट, पीछे से आवाजें आ रही हैं, दिस इज द वे यू रीड, हाँ, ये क्या तरीका है, ऑनलाइन बैठ के पीछे से आप लोग गाना गा रहे हो, बात कर रहे हो, व्हाट इज दिस, ऐसे पढ़ाई होती है, मना करने के बाद भी आवाज आ रही है पीछे से, वाई, अब nobody will talk, श्रेयांश यादव, are you there, श्रेयांश, yes, Pragyan Singh. Pragyan Singh. Okay. Abha. Present. Adarsh Chauhan. Raise your hand. Adarsh, raise your hand. Adarsh Yadav. Not present. Ankit Kumar Yadav. Ankit. Ankit. Not present. Anmol Yadav. Arvind. Avnish Yadav. Present. Avnish Kumar Yadav. Prashasti. Rajnish Kumar Yadav. Shreya Yadav. Ananya Tiwari. Anurag Kumar. Aradhya Singh. Shama Singh. Raj Narayan Mishra. Ritesh. 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 No, not present. Okay. Riya Bhardwaj. Not present. Smriti Maurya. Not present. Yuvraj Singh. Okay. Okay, now Shama, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the changing the position of the taskbar. Do you have book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read. Changing the position of the taskbar. Hurry up, beta. We have no more time. Okay, Shama. Just mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute. Avnish, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Start the changing
Yes,
the
ma'am.
position of the taskbar. Read.
Normally, the taskbar appear at the bottom of the desktop. However, you can place it along any of the four sides on the desktop. To change the position of the taskbar, follow this step. Right-click on the taskbar to shortcut menu appear. Second, if you see a check mark beside the
lock
beside the lock
taskbar.
lock the taskbar option in the menu. Click the option to uncheck it. Otherwise, you will not be
Able.
able to change the position of the taskbar. Third, click
And
click
drag.
and drag the taskbar to side of the desktop where you want to
Place it.
where you want to place it.
Okay,
Start
stop.
button.
Stop.
Start button.
Avnish, stop. Okay, listen to me, students. Changing the position of the taskbar. Okay, this is your computer window and your taskbar is present at the bottom, right? नीचे होता है. तो how can you change your position of the taskbar? If you want to change the position of the taskbar at the bottom, अगर आप ऊपर उसको shift करना चाहते हैं तो what you do? Just normally right click. This is your mouse and you have 2 clicks, left and right. So you right click on your mouse and there is a check mark. On the taskbar. Just click on that. ठीक है, आपको click करना है and you drag it here and now you click on that check mark. It is unlocked. Okay, वो क्या हो जाएगा, वो lock हो जाएगा और and no will change the position of the taskbar. कहीं भी आप change कर सकते हैं. You can change at the bottom, at the top, left and right also. Okay, clear hai all of you? Mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Adamya, start button. Start button.
Yes, ma'am.
Start button.
Start button.
Yes.
Start button helps you to do many activities. When you click the start button, a menu appears on the computer screen. This is called start menu. It has a list of options to do
Common
tasks such as start problems, open
commonly
used folder,
adjust
computer settings, search programs and files, get help with Windows, log off, restart or shut down
the
computer, shut down the system and so on.
Okay, stop. Adamya, stop. Start button. What is the use of start button? Start button contains many types of options. Yes, many types of options of program, and you can select any program in from the start menu. Just like start program, open commonly, folder. The yellow icons are known as the folders. जो yellow color का icon होता है उसे हम folder कहते हैं. तो open commonly used folders, adjust computer setting, computer की setting. Yes, beta. And search program and files. Search program and files at the bottom. You can see a bar, white bar, and you can type any program name. Then you click enter. When you click enter, जो आपने search किया है उसे आप see कर सकते हो. Now head the Windows की help ले सकते हैं. Log off and restart or shut down. Okay? यानी कि from the start button, you can shut down your computer, you can restart your computer. Okay? So this is the use of start button.
Sleep भी कर सकते हैं.
Yes, बेटा, कर सकते हैं.
मैम 3 होता है शट डाउन और मैम रीस्टार्ट और स्लीप।
Yes, sleep means होता है कि if you want to not working your computer just to 10 minutes or 5 minutes. ठीक है, sleep का मतलब यही होता है. Okay?
तो क्लोज कर देंगे तो थोड़ी, फिर उसको ओपन करेंगे तो
हाँ, तो वो हो जाएगा.
फिर जल्दी हो जाएगा।
Yes, yes, Adamya, very good. Adamya is working
मैम
on
मैं
it, then she know how to restart, how to sleep and how to log off. ना? Right, Adamya?
मैम मैं पढ़ती हूँ।
हाँ बेटा, I know that कि आप पढ़ते हो. जिसके भी घर पे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम है, they can use your computer how to log off, मतलब shut down कैसे होगा, open कैसे होगा, sleep कैसे होगा, restart कैसे होगा. Okay, what is the use of
मैं कभी कभी स्लिप भी कर देती हूँ।
sleep भी कर देती हो. Okay, very good. और
एक दिन शट डाउन करने गई तो उसी में स्लिप दबा दी।
कोई बात नहीं, तो कंप्यूटर ऑफ तो नहीं हुआ ना, स्लिप हो गया, थोड़ी देर के लिए सो गया,
फिर थोड़ी देर बाद सो गया, फिर उसको शाम को खोली तो ओपन हो गया।
Yes, you can use your computer system at your home. आपको जो चीजें नहीं समझ में आती, CEO books, how to change the icon, how to move your icon, how to change the taskbar. Okay, everybody जिसके भी घर पे सिस्टम है, they can use your computer system. Okay, okay, Adamya, mute yourself. Okay, Ananya, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Icons.
Ma'am,
Icons.
Icons are the small picture that we see on the desktop. Each icon represents a
Specific.
specific program,
Document.
demand,
Document.
ma'am,
Document.
document folder or some other item. Some common icons present on every desktop or computer. Recycle bin and network icon. The network icon, the desktop icon are also called
Shortcuts. Okay, now stop. Icons. Icons are the small pictures that are present on the desktop. It is a shortcut. Okay, it is a shortcut to start a program on the desktop. Okay, just like if I want to open MS Paint, then what I do, I click on start button, then I click program, then I click MS Paint, right? This process is so long. ये process थोड़ा लंबा है, long है. So in the shortcut view, I can create an icon on the desktop. मैं उसका क्या करूँगी, इसका shortcut बना दूंगी on the desktop, and then I click on that icon, double click or right click, then our MS Paint window is on the desktop button. Understand all of you? So
Yes, ma'am.
for
Ma'am.
example, there are a ready-made icons like computer, recycle bin and network. Yes, Ananya? Yes, Ananya?
मैम आपने भेजा था कि एग्जाम
हाँ
टेस्ट
बेटा,
लेंगी क्लास
there are some problems in my phone there, so I will postpone the test. I take the test next class and I will send the notice also. Okay, without notice I can. Okay, all of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Yes, turn the page 16, page number 16, all of you. Ankita, sorry, Akriti, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Moving the icons.
Moving the icon, you can move the icon from one place to another on the desktop. To move an icon, follow this type. First, place the mouse pointer over the icon you want to move. Second, click and drag the icon to a new place. Third, replace the mouse button.
Okay, stop. Moving the icons. Moving means इधर से उधर, ठीक है। हाउ टू मूव योर आइकन, सपोज दैट दिस इज योर आइकन एंड इफ यू वांट टू मूव हियर, यानी कि अगर आप इसको यहाँ से यहाँ करना चाहते हैं तो व्हाट यू डू, सिंपली यू क्लिक ऑन दैट आइकन, ठीक है। पहले वी सेलेक्ट, जस्ट फर्स्ट टाइम वी सेलेक्ट, जब सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इसे सेलेक्ट करेंगे। आफ्टर सेलेक्टिंग वी कैन ड्रैग, ड्रैग मीन्स होता है खींचना, पॉइंटर की हेल्प से, दिस इज योर पॉइंटर, ओके, दिस इज योर माउस पॉइंटर। पहले माउस पॉइंटर को यहाँ लाएंगे फर्स्टली एंड देन वी सेलेक्ट इट, जब व्हेन वी सेलेक्टेड दिस इज टर्न ब्लू, राइट। सो आफ्टर दैट वी ड्रैग द माउस आइकन हियर, हम उसको ड्रैग करके यहाँ लाएंगे एंड वी लीव देम एंड आफ्टर दैट वी क्लिक आउटसाइड, और बाद में हम बाहर में क्लिक करेंगे तो आवर आइकन इज मूविंग फ्रॉम हियर टू देयर। क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? क्लियर आकृति? ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
म्यूट योरसेल्फ। Where is he? Arvind, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Desktop background.
Yes, ma'am.
Desktop background.
Desktop background also collect wallpaper is picture that appear on the desktop behind. All the icons Windows 7 provide a variety of desktop background. You can choose any of them, apply it to change the desktop background. Follow this step. Right click on an empty area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Select the personalizing option from the menu. The personalizing window appears. Click the desktop background option and at the button. The desktop button Windows 7 appears showing many desktop background. Select the beside desktop background from the list. Click the Save Change button. The personality window repair. Click on Close button to close the window. Now you can see the selected background on the desktop.
Okay. When we switch on the computer, what is the first screen appear? उसको क्या बोलते हैं? What we called? अरविंद?
क्या?
जब हम कंप्यूटर सिस्टम ऑन करते हैं, the first screen is appear. What we called?
Ma'am, desktop.
Desktop. If you want to change the wallpaper of the desktop, what you do? Simply right click on the desktop, click on the personalized option. Now, here are many types of pictures. Okay. Now you select any picture and click on apply. Simply you change the desktop cover. Okay. Desktop wallpaper. Now click on close button. So this is the creating of desktop wallpaper. Now screen saver. Faiz, unmute yourself. Faiz.
Yes, ma'am.
Screen saver.
The screensaver is an animated image that you see on the monitor when you leave the computer idle for some time. As soon as you press any key on the keyboard or move the mouse, disappear. Windows 7
क्या है?
Windows 7 includes
Includes different screensaver which you can change anytime.
okay,
to
stop,
change.
stop, Faz. Screensaver is an animated image. जैसे आपके मोबाइल सिस्टम में भी होगा. If you use the mobile, when you leave it, the screensaver image is coming. मतलब कि wallpaper कुछ और होता है, screensaver में कुछ और होता है. Screensaver is coming to running on the periods of seconds. ठीक है, जैसे वो 1 minutes का होगा, 2 minutes का होगा, या 5 seconds और 10 seconds, right? So same as screensaver is allowed in the computer system. So how you change the screensaver? Same as procedure. Right click on the desktop, click on personalize option. Now click on screensaver. Many types of images are coming. You click and choose any image. Now click on wait and preview. Preview means होता है कि देखना कि वो कैसे आएगा. Then click on apply and click on OK. This is the way you change the screensaver. Okay. Now mute yourself as Yuvraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Windows 7 accessories. Page number 19.
Windows and produce many to its users. Many
Accessories.
accessories are the accessories
Yes.
are the additional programs that help us perform various
Task.
tasks. Some important
Accessories.
accessories in Windows 7 are calculator,
Sticky notes.
Paint, and WordPad. You have already learned the Paint program. Now we will
Learn
learn
two more
two more
accessories.
calculator
Calculator and sticky note. Okay, accessories. It is Windows 7 provide us many types of accessories like calculator, sticky notes, pen, and notepad. WordPad. Okay. First of all, calculator. You all know what is a calculator. Calculator is used for typing. Calculating, right? Sticky notes to create a notes, important notes. जैसे आपको कहीं जाना होता है तो you can take a note and slip, उनको चिपकाते हैं ना, ऐसे नोटिस आता है ना आपके पेज पे. So these types of sticky notes you can use in your computer system. Gadgets there are many types of options in the gadgets like wall, click, clock, calculator, window media, weather, okay, etc. Now Hari Om, unmute yourself. Hari Om. Hari Om, where are you? Okay, students, we have 1 minute. So listen to me very carefully. I gave you lesson 2 for learning the question, answer, and exercise. You all are learn exercise from lesson 2. Okay? Look at the exercise. Match the related option. Fill in the blanks. And circle the correct options. Put a tick for the correct statement and cross for the wrong ones. Okay, this is your homework. This is your homework to learn lesson 2. Okay, and I give this work in your group. Okay, clear है? All of you clear? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Anybody want to ask something? No? Okay, take care, students, children. Take care. Bye.
Bye, madam.
Bye.